So this Roidmi EVE is not functioning now because it says the sweeping fan is abnormal. So what basically happens is if I press this to power it up, so I'm not entirely sure what's going on. We'll try to find a fix. I've actually replaced most of the components, which include the source. So this only happens when it went into the bathroom, and when it went into the bathroom was wet, and because of that somehow it had that error. So I'm guessing that I might need to open this apart to check what's wrong with it. So if you have any ideas on how to fix this, leave a comment and let me know.